Great. I am going to miss this cup. Welcome to my channel. Okay, I don't know where that came from, but that's appropriate because I am in South Carolina. But today is, we're still in Lake Wylie. We're leaving the lake. We're going to the city. So join us as we move midway. We normally stay at a place for like 2 weeks, but this time around, like, we came back to the same place after Panama, and we weren't able to stay the full 2 weeks because they had already booked it out, but they were nice enough to let us stay here for a good, 9 days?
9 or 10, yeah.
Yeah, so we have to do the rest of the time somewhere else, so we're going to do it in the city.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, today's moving day.
Yep, it sure is.
So, it's always fun. But we have a system. I always do, like, the clothes, the bedroom, and then Nathan does the kitchen. If you've been liking my videos, please subscribe and like them. I really appreciate it because my goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers. Oh my God, we have so much stuff. We have all this stuff and this stuff.
It's been fun on the lake. On to our next adventure.
Goodbye, Lake House. So we're on the parking lot of where we're staying, and that's uptown, just to kind of give you an idea of how much it's grown. And this is basically all of that in here where we are, the south end. And there is the train system that actually goes all the way to UNCC. I found out today when we walked to Publix.
Very convenient.
It's very convenient. Wow, that's a really beautiful sunset. Isn't that cool? That moon is amazing.
Yeah.
Good morning. It is Friday, March 18th, and it's moving day again. I'm just looking out the window. It's like 6:40 in the morning. People are running already. How do they do that? I've just never been able to do that. But yeah, this is what we do. We're moving again. And the next place that we're staying at is gonna be for not the full 2 weeks. So I'm excited. I'm excited about the next place because it's somewhere I've never been. So keep watching. That was cool, right? So keep watching because it's the beginning of my daily vlogs again. Welcome to Western North Carolina. Please subscribe if you like this video. I would really, really appreciate it. And thanks for watching. Good night.